Hey guys, this is my 28-year-old 4-ton carrier AC unit. Suddenly, the AC is not producing the cold air anymore, so I'm out here investigating. I think the capacitor needs to be replaced because the motor whines a bit before it starts, but it does run. The compressor, all the wires look okay, at least right now, and you can see all the debris inside. I try to clean it out every 1 to 2 years, so I'm gonna have to vacuum it out. And then, yes, this is old unit, so it uses R22 Freon. It's at 28 years now, so let me see if I can get a couple more years and get over 30. And but before you work on any of these units, look over there. There's my Greco green friend there. So before you work on any of these devices, make sure you unplug the power first. So I already unplugged it. If you flip this switch, I'll show you in a minute here. If you flip it upside down, it's in an off mode, so it's already turned off. So I didn't get to capture it on a video, but I used the 8mm socket to take out the outside cover, and there's one small cover inside over the capacitor area. I think it was a total of 6 to 8 screws. So here I got my shop vac. I'm gonna clean it out first, so I'll be right back. I just got my AC capacitor delivered. Amazon is just awesome. I just ordered it yesterday, day before yesterday, and boy, they delivered it so quick, and it's cheaper than local stores. So let's give it a try.
So this part, you really want to do it carefully. Note the three labels on top of your capacitor and be sure to move the wires to the same location. Otherwise, you will risk damaging AC components. C is for common, fan is for fan motor, and HRM is for compressor. So just unplug the wires one at a time and move it over one at a time, okay? Okay, I just installed a new capacitor and now the fan motor starts immediately without buzzing for a few seconds. However, I think I need to investigate this further because I'm still not getting cold air in the house after running the fan for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think I found the problem. You see, one of the wire, when I opened the cap here, it wasn't there. It actually fell off. Looks like whoever did the work last time, they didn't use the right connector. They just wrapped a bunch of copper wire around it, and obviously that wasn't gonna stay with all the jolt of the electric power that's going through. So you can see the other end here, all burnt, and they extended it with the other connections. So anyway, it was a shabby job that was done. So I had to get one of these compressor repair kit, and notice the special connectors at the end where you can use the Allen wrench to tighten the connector end of it. And this actually fixed my problem. So the video I took on replacing the broken compressor cable didn't work out. So I'm back out here to recapture what was done. Look at my Greco friend out there. So first thing, always unplug the power. And here are 4 screws, and I used the 8mm socket to remove them. So I got the cover out, and the wire that I replaced is inside this cover. So you squeeze the that 2 opening ends, and then you just pull out the cover. So as you can see in the video, you slide in this connector at the end, and then below it there's a little tiny screw. You use the Allen wrench to tighten it so that the connector remains on there tightly. And that fixed my problem. I'm getting about 60 degrees or below air coming out of the vents inside the house. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Oh, please stay safe during this incredible pandemic period.